is Alison from Shandong Fudong Automobile. Today I introduce our aluminum tank trailers to you. This one is 44,000 liters with 6 compartments. Let's go. Front mud guard, it will be protect your tank body. The landing gear we have the Fuwa and Yost brand. They have the 2 pieces spare tire rack. One is for your trailer, one for your truck head. Let us open the toolbox. You can put some spare parts and tools inside. This is the front axle liftable control valve. And we have BPW and Fuwa and L1 brand axles. The tires, we have double or single tires. This one is the front liftable. The suspension, we have airbag or mechanical suspensions. About the tank trailer color and logos, we can paint it according to your demand, such as different capacity and compartments, all optional as well. So if you like to know more information of our products, welcome to contact us. Thank you. Bye bye.